Good morning, everyone. Health is only a wealth. We all know how the health important is, and even this COVID pandemic 2020 and now 2021, it's again that cycle had started, and we really everybody had understand the importance of health, and that's the reason we should really take care of our health, invest on your health. There'll be like a SIP, systematic investment plan. What I say is HIP, health investment plan. Start investing today, whatever the age you are, maybe a 10, 20, 50, or any age group. But if we want a good health consistent in a life, then we should really start investing on health. At least an hour a day for our health is mandatory, guys, and that's the secret of my health. So I used to play my starting, it's kind of a morning ritual. I play tennis, and it's amazing game, like your body and mind balance, everything is there, and the whole day will be so smooth once you have a dedicated time on a court. And that's an amazing thing. So whatever the thing is, it's not mandatory that you should play games. If not, you can have 1 hour time for cycling, walking, jogging, running, and anything. But then it is really important to maintain that body chemistry, and that's the reason if we really see the patients in India have a blood pressure, diabetic patients are more and more increasing. There are the cancer patients are also increasing, and it is called a lifestyle disease. So we should really take care what the food we eat, what the water we drink, whatever the intake for our body. If we are taking care of those, the things will be all very smooth and good. So for me, what I do and what is the secret of my health, so I'm really healthy. I'm at age of 45. Not at all anytime even I have a single disease or I've been hospitalized. I not remember any of the days since born. There is no at all any of the problems. So I am healthy, and I'm able to speak that saying that yes, I am healthy. So now after at least now 8 or 9 months, I have realized, and I have lots of study also I have done on drinking water. Understand that 70% of our body is water. Same way the earth, water element is also there on the earth. Nature is also giving the 70% of the portion on earth is water. So it is so crucial, guys. The food we eat is 30%, the 70% of the body is water. And if we're really taking care of this component, this portion or this water, the life will be really smooth. You'll be always healthy. The thing is, now if you have seen this, some of the advertise of washing powder or shampoo, even I have seen in Times of India, one of the new brand is there. This is, it is a pH level of 5.5. So we need to understand our pH level of body, and all the food, all the water, all the drinks what we drink, it is has some pH level. Our blood pH level is 7.35. pH is potential hydrogen. If we understand this, if we really have a food or diet according to this pH, life will be really smooth. We normally what we do is, once the food is cooked, it is called acidic food, and whatever the packed food like wafers or any food, packed food is available, even biscuits or anything, it is a super acidic food. It will give you more acids. The cold drink is also at 2.5. The more the acid, the pH level 7 is a green color, and it is a standard neutral. More than 7 till 14 it is called the alkaline. 7 से कम है तो that is called the acidic. So we need to keep our body alkaline. And there is one great research by Dr. Otto Heinrich. He said the alkaline cells, alkaline tissues are the healthy tissues, and the acidic tissues are the cancerous tissue, or the cancerous tissues are the acidic tissue. This is the doctor who had invented this, and for this invention he had been given a Nobel Prize in 1931. Invention almost he had done in 1923, but 1931 he had been given a Nobel Prize for this particular treatment. So it is amazing worth to understand. Our body needs to be alkaline. The body, if it is more alkaline, there are the raised chances of having any diseases, any problem. Even if you see, whenever we have some viral fever or viral infection in the body, we really take some salads or dry or juice, and that's kind of food. So those all things are kind of a raw food, and raw food is a alkaline food, antioxidant food. So our also body needs an antioxidant. Now it's a deep subject, the video is going to be long, but this is my micro niche kind of thing, so I can explain, I can say for hour and hour. But then our body is so much important, guys. If our body is fit, we can do anything, anything, like anything. If we are fit and healthy, we have all time to earn money and all, but invest something on health, and that will be always, kind of a great. Take care of your family health also. All the family persons should be also fit and healthy. Have some diet, have some routine lifestyle, program your lifestyle, saying that yeah, at least 1 hour in a day, maybe a morning half hour, then maybe a afternoon, or maybe a noon, but at least 1 hour give to your body in terms of yoga, meditation, some physical exercise. Actually, the body consists of or made of, आप देख लो फार्मर की लाइफ, ही इज़ बिन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड, पसीना निकलना चाहिए बॉडी में से, उस तरीके से हमें काम करना है, तभी ये बॉडी की साइकिल चलती रहेगी। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसी कंफर्ट में बैठते हैं, ऑफिस उस हिसाब से है, गाड़ी में उस हिसाब से घूमते हैं, बट देन वी आर नॉट गिविंग एक्सरसाइज टू अवर बॉडी। रियली सी दैट फार्मर लाइफ, दैट्स आइडियल लाइफ है, इज़ ऑलवेज डिसीज फ्री। उसको कितना भी काम कर लेगा, हम लोग आज फिजिकल काम कर ही नहीं पाते हैं, सिटिंग इज किलिंग। इफ़ यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन अ चेयर, it is really giving a sitting is killing, it will quick kill you guys. So please have your lifestyle in a way that you can give some physical exercise to your body. So for me, again, why secret of health for me is, one is sports, other is a mental health, always with the right kind of people, right kind of nurturing, right kind of inputs to the mind, and that will give you mental health. Physical health, I know, I drink Kangen water, which has a microcluster in antioxidant, and the this alkaline also. So this is the way I maintain my health, my family health, and the life is great. So wishing you great health to you all. Take care of your health and your family health also. Wishing you a healthy and happy life always. Thank you.